Next month, my workshop topics are on renovations and alterations. So here's a little project I've got, which has got an existing and a proposed. So one of the ways you could do it is you could set up a whole lot of classes to control the roof and to be able to turn stuff off. But the other way to do it is to use your data visualization. So here's a cool trick. Let's just hide our proposed, and you can see there's our proposed. Wait, let's just hide our demolished as well. Oh, so there's our demolished. So that's existing only. Let's turn off the hide demolished, and there's our proposed project. Now, I think this works really well, and it works brilliantly in the floor plans. So let's go to the floor plan. We'll turn off the roof. So there's everything, absolutely everything. But what I can do is I can hide the proposed, turn on the demolished, and you can see there's my demolished plan. And it allows me to have lots of classes to control the graphic style of all my little bits without having to worry about how many classes I need to turn off. I just think this is such a brilliant trick. So join us next month for alterations and renovations. Just click here to open the calendar appointment. There's a link in there. You click on that, join the sessions. You want to attend a whole lot of Vectorworks training sessions? Here's my calendar. Become a member of my community. I'll put the link in the description. There are loads of things to join.